In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a business email in Hostinger and configure it to Outlook for 2025. If building a professional online presence is your goal, linking your business email to Outlook is a savvy move. So let's dive right in and explore how you can accomplish this setup in just a few steps. First, you'll want to navigate to the Hostinger website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the Hostinger URL to bring up the site. Once you're there, you should be greeted by the Hostinger dashboard. This is your control hub for managing your web hosting and email services, making it a crucial starting point for setting up your business email. Next, find and click on the email section in the dashboard. Here, you can manage your existing email addresses or create new ones. If you don't already have a business email set up, now would be the time to create it. Once you have your business email address set up, be sure to copy it, as we'll need it in later steps when configuring it in Outlook. After you have your email address ready, head over to Outlook. You can do this by opening a new tab in your web browser and entering the Outlook URL. Outlook is widely used for both personal and professional email management, and integrating your business email here allows you easy access and robust email features. Once in Outlook, your next step is to access the settings. You can find this by looking for the gear icon, typically located at the top right corner of the Outlook interface. Clicking this will reveal a menu of different configuration options. Navigate through these options carefully until you find forwarding and IMAP. This is where you'll begin configuring your email settings to work seamlessly with Outlook. Before we proceed with entering your Hostinger email into Outlook, make sure you are signed in. If you're not signed into Outlook, you'll see a sign in option. Click on it and enter your credentials to gain full access to the needed features. Once signed in, verify your identity if prompted. This might involve a simple click on Verify to ensure your account is ready for configuration changes. Now you're ready to integrate your business email into Outlook. You'll need to manage or choose a primary alias, which is essentially the email address you want to actively use in Outlook. Go to Manage or choose a primary alias, and from there, click on Add Email. Here you're able to input your Hostinger business email address. When you're adding your email address, Outlook might prompt you with options like adding an existing email address or creating a new one. Be sure to select Add an existing email address, as our focus is on setting up your Hostinger address in Outlook. Type in the email address you copied from Hostinger. Once you add the email address, remember to click on Verify. This confirms that the new email is correctly linked to your Microsoft account. Finally, you might be asked to verify the email alias itself. Again, follow through with this step to ensure everything is set up correctly. And there you have it, a fully integrated business email on Outlook, all set for your professional correspondence.